There's someone in your city right now with $2 million in the bank. They drive a 5-year-old Honda. They live in a normal neighborhood. They don't post on Instagram. They don't wear designer. And they absolutely do not talk about money. You'd never guess it. That's exactly the point. This is stealth wealth. And in 2026, it's not just a personality type. It's a strategy, a deliberate, disciplined, wildly effective strategy that the quietly wealthy have been running for decades while everyone else was busy looking rich. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how stealth wealth works, the mindset behind it, the practical habits that make it possible, and the specific moves that let people build serious money without anyone around them knowing. If you're new here, subscribe and hit the notification bell right now. We put out no-fluff finance content every single week, the kind of stuff that actually moves the needle. Let's get into it. Number 1. Stealth wealth is not pretending you're broke. It's not refusing to spend money on things that matter, and it's not some extreme frugality movement where you're eating rice and beans and suffering through life. Stealth wealth is the deliberate choice to let your net worth grow silently, without broadcasting your financial position to the world around you. The people who practice it have made a fundamental decision. They would rather be wealthy than look wealthy. And those two things, more often than not, are in direct conflict with each other. Every dollar you spend on signaling your status, the luxury car, the designer bag, the business class upgrade you post about, is a dollar that isn't compounding in your investment account. Stealth wealth people understand this at a bone-deep level, and it changes every financial decision they make. Number 2. Kill the lifestyle inflation reflex. Here's where most people lose the game before it even starts. You get a raise, you upgrade your apartment. You get a promotion, you upgrade your car. You start earning more, you start spending more. The number in your account barely moves, but your lifestyle looks better, so it feels like progress. That is the lifestyle inflation trap, and it is the single biggest wealth killer for high earners in 2026. Stealth wealth practitioners do something radically different. When their income goes up, their lifestyle stays flat or moves up only slightly and deliberately. The raise goes into the brokerage, the bonus goes into the indexed fund, the extra freelance income goes into the emergency fund, then into investments. Your goal is to create a permanent, growing gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is where wealth is built. The wider you make it, the faster the gap compounds. The longer you hold it, the more untouchable your financial future becomes. Live below your means, not because you have to, but because you understand that the alternative is funding a lifestyle that depreciates while your wealth appreciates. Number 3. Master the art of invisible spending. Stealth wealth isn't just about what you don't spend, it's about how you spend and where you choose to find value. The quietly wealthy are exceptional at spending money in ways that improve their actual quality of life without signaling anything to anyone. They buy quality where it counts, durable goods, health, experiences that matter to them personally, and they cut hard everywhere else. They don't shop for brands, they shop for function. They drive reliable used cars because a car is transportation, not identity. They shop at regular grocery stores because food is fuel, not a flex. They wear clean, well-fitted clothes that don't scream a price tag. Their life is often better than the person broadcasting luxury on social media because they're not stressed. They're not financing a lifestyle they can't sustain. They sleep well, they have options. Invisible spending is about extracting maximum real value from your money with minimum performance attached to it. That's a skill. Develop it. If you're finding this valuable, subscribe and hit the bell. We go this deep every week and you won't want to miss what's coming. Number 4. Build wealth in silence. Stealth wealth isn't just a spending philosophy, it's a building strategy. While others are performing wealth, stealth wealth practitioners are accumulating it, and the vehicle is almost always the same: boring, consistent, automated investing. The stealth wealth investor doesn't chase trends, they don't announce their positions, they don't post their portfolio on Reddit. They let time and compounding do the talking, and the results, years later, speak for themselves in complete silence. Number 5. Stealth wealth is a daily practice in a world designed to make you spend. Social media is a highlight reel of consumption. Your friend group may celebrate visible success. Advertising exists specifically to make you feel like what you have isn't enough. And cultural messaging, especially in 2026, ties self-worth to net worth on display. Protecting your stealth wealth mindset means building real resistance to all of that. Curate what you consume. Unfollow accounts that trigger spending envy. Measure your progress against your own financial goals, not against what someone else is driving or wearing or posting. Find your identity somewhere else than your possessions. The quietly wealthy aren't stoic robots. They enjoy their lives deeply. They just don't need an audience to validate it. They've found something more powerful than external approval, the internal security of knowing exactly where they stand financially and knowing that number is growing. That's a feeling money can buy, but only if you stop spending it on the performance. Stealth wealth isn't a secret club. It doesn't require a high income to start. It doesn't require a perfect financial history. It requires a decision to stop competing on appearances and start building something real, to value freedom over flash, to let your bank account grow while your lifestyle stays quiet, sustainable, and yours. The loudest people in the room are rarely the richest. The richest people in the room are usually the ones you'd never suspect. Now you know exactly how they got there and how you can too. If this video shifted your thinking, do two things right now. Like this video so the algorithm puts it in front of more people who need it, and drop a comment telling us, are you already living stealth wealth or is this a new concept to you? We read every single comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. New videos every week, no fluff, just the financial clarity you actually need to build wealth that lasts. We'll see you in the next one.